Hello. So this is the second time that we will be joining the women's run. Okay? So last year nag 10 kilometers kami. Then this year naman is yung highest category pa rin, yung 16 kilometers. Hopefully next year may 21 at mag 21k din kami.
Body run.
Body run. Okay. Happy Women's Month. Ang dami na po namin sinaliang fun run dito sa MOA. Nalilito pa din kami sa parking. Kung may recommendation po kayo na parking area, please comment po sa baba. Thank you. Pinapaproceed na tayo dun.
Calling all remaining 16 new runners, kindly proceed now to the assembly area for your bus start. Your starting line is located at front gate. My name is Lucy. Patanjan, raise your hands up. Going tayo. Here we go.
Fine kilometer. Two kilometers. Umuulan na. Ang lakas ng ambon. 2 kilometers. Four kilometers. Diba? Kilometers. 6 kilometers. Anmal 10 kilometers na lang. Seven kilometers. 9 kilometers na lang. Nakakalahati na kami.
Pagod naman.
8 kilometers. Lakas ng ambon. Babe. Oh. 9 kilometers. Hindi na lang, babe. Hindi na lang. 10 kilometers. Last 6. Okay. Okay, maintain. Maintain. Okay. Konti na lang. Konting-konti na lang. 13 kilometers. Pagod na. 14 kilometers. Last 2 kilometers. $15 kilometers. Last 1 kilometer. Come on. Come on. Last 100 meters, big. Push. Last 100. Last 100. Last 50. Ah. Okay. Woo.
Hintay mo.
Yeah. Okay. Nice one, nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
Kiss! Daw!
Congratulations,
Sa pa?
guys! Congratulations!
Okay na.
Ikaw eh.
Paano mo?
One more. Sabi sa'yo.
Get your medal! You earned it, guys! Nice one! Congratulations!
Okay. 16 kilometers. Nasa 1 hour
09.
08. Kasi 1 minute na. Okay. Successful. At least natapos kami. Nang walang injury. Okay? Thank you. Pakto. Ha?
Ganda pang
Ganda.
Age group category top finishers.
Okay, kasal.
Kasama ka ba dapat?
Huwag na ako, sila na.
For ano to? Sa page ng...
Predict na content na. Okay ba?
Okay.
TikTok.
Okay na ito naman, Sean?
Tawa mo kung sa video. Oo! Realize ko na, lagi na lang.
Kasi sila, first question is, diretso na? Okay, how was your experience running with 16 kilometer po?
Okay naman.
First time namin sa 16K.
It's our first time to run 16 kilometers. Usually 10, 21. Pero first time namin na mag 10 miles.
Kaya naman po.
Kaya na. Basta magkasama kami, kaya-kaya.
So,
Finish strong.
ano yung naging challenges nyo during the run?
Siguro
ulan,
yung ambon. Then, we lack preparation.
Pero kaya naman.
Natapos naman, although hindi lang namin na-reach yung target talaga namin na sub 2 hours sana. Pero, importante naman is a fun run, right?
So last question po is, what motivated you to finish the run?
First, together kami. Pag-ating together. Talaga
Tapos kami sabay.
Sabay kami. Kahit
Lahat ng takbo namin, sabay kami.
sabay talaga. Bawal may mauna.
Okay, thank you so much
Thank you.
po.
Tala sa atin. Hello! Just follow us on TikTok. Okay, family. Thank
Okay,
you.
family. And we're done with 16 kilometers.
Yeah.
Nasa 2 hours
9
8
minutes.
tata, 9 minutes, gano'n.
Ganda nung medal talaga.
Ganda ng medal, oh, sobra.
Tapos na
Magalaw. Finisher shirt, maganda.
eh, meron din pala sulat sa likod. Oh, stronger than a woman empowered. Yee.
Yeah. So first time namin mag 16 kilometers. Wala pinagkaiba sa 21 kilometers. Nakakapagod. Pero sulit. Sulit naman.
First time sa 16 ano.
May pa...
Hindi na kami
May
pumila sa
pa-burger.
mga ano. Hindi na kami pumila kasi ang daming tao.
Yes. Tapos may pa-burger sila.
Okay na tayo sa pa-loot bags.
So next stop, breakfast.
Kape saan?
Bye!